Hi guys, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I am going to run you through this making of one of the cards from the kit, A Little Smile, from the Paper Pumpkin kit from June of 2019. This kit makes 16 cards with envelopes, and it has a little case. So if you wanted to give these cards away and put it in there, that would just be darling. So, and it is decorative, so it's very nice. But I'm just going to take one of the cards. Again, here are the four cards, and as you can see, super cute, lots of embellishments that are die cuts, and I've already punched out everything because that is kind of tedious, especially when you have a lot of cards. This kit is not a tiny one. I mean, you have so many little cards. So I pre-punched everything out. Just pop them out of, they're already cut. You just pop them off the paper. So I did that to make it go a little quicker, and then I can just do assembly line if I want to make all of them. But right now, I am just going to make the one with the palm tree. So you're going to start with this card base, the light blue and the darker blue. This is Coastal Cabana. And I'm going to get my ink ready. It came with the tiny ink spot. I've shown you in other videos, but I use my giant pad because I don't want to waste the little inks, and I already have the big one. So I'm just going to peel that plastic off and get my stamps that I'm going to use. This one says, "My day is better because of you." And I really like that. I'm going to give this to a couple of my friends that are neighbors that come out and play with us, and we have play dates with the kids all the time. So, "My day is better because of you," and it's stamped on the white tag. So I'm going to do my stamping first, then all I have to do is put it together. And I am going to make two of these, or two different people. So I am going to ink it up, and then I'm going to stamp it off on my paper. This is my scratch paper, because you want to prime your stamp. If you've never stamped with that particular stamp before and it's brand new, you want to prime it. And I just dropped it in the ink, so there's a bunch on the acrylic block. If that happens to you, just use a napkin or a baby wipe to clean it off. And these are photopolymer stamps, clear. They will last you probably forever. Okay, I love it. It's gorgeous color. One of my favorite colors is this Coastal Cabana. Very tropical, it's really pretty. And when stamping, if you mess up, especially with these tags, you can just flip it over. You just flip it over and do the back side. That's another reason why you don't want to adhere anything yet, because if you mess it up, you have a second chance there. And then I just wipe my stamp off. I do have a Stampin' Scrub. Stampin' Up! Sells that. But since I'm going to be doing more of these, I'll clean it when I'm all done. And then I will put my stamp pad away so I don't accidentally drop it in there. That's happened to me before. Now with this kit, it did come with these little glue dots. So you don't need any other adhesive. You could just peel the top off, and you can see it leaves the sticky part. The first thing we're going to adhere is going to be this palm tree with the sand. So you want to stick these little sticky dots, as you can see there, all over the back. So, and if you have a hard time with peeling these, sometimes that happens to me where it's stuck. Just carefully stick it on, right? And then peel the back off, and it should stick fine. So either way works. Either peel the white or peel the whole thing. However it comes off. And I just put them all along the back. I'm going to just do it this way. It seems to be working better. Sometimes just the white part comes off though. And I just put it all around the back. If you have other tiny adhesive, like a snail, it's called snail adhesive, or if you have glue stick that is archival safe, so it's safe for scrapbooking and card making, you can use that. So now I have these little white dots on here. It's basically like a tiny double-sided tape dot. If you've never worked with glue dots, very, very sticky, so it will stay, but I just put them all over the back. I've got about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on here. And then you're gonna just line this up with the bottom. It's already like measured for you. Just kind of stick the bottom on, and then I'll stick the trees on, just like that. And it's okay if it kind of is popped up a little bit. See the palms? I didn't put glue dots under all of it. It actually looks good that way. I just put a few, so look, it looks like a little, like a 3-dimensional card. So it's super cute. Okay, and then you're gonna take a coral, and again, just take a glue dot. So another good thing about this kit is that it comes with everything you need. For these, I'm gonna stick these on the bottom here, and put them all here. I'm gonna make put about 4 or 5 down here, because I'm gonna stick the coral on, and I'm gonna stick a bow with the linen thread. Oops, and that one's stuck on there, so I'll just put it right about there. Just kind of place it all over. Now, this kit did not come with any dimensionals, but I have some in another kit. So I'm gonna get those out because I wanna pop up the sentiment and have it be a little 3D. So I'm talking about these little dimensionals, or they're called pop dots. This set did not come with them, but that's okay. So I stuck my little glue dots on. You can see them there. And I'm gonna put my coral kind of like that. So it's like right there on the beach. This also has a star. So I'm gonna grab a starfish, and still have some adhesive there, so I'll put it there. And once I put my the tag on, and you can put that a little higher. If it's gonna cover it, you could put it lower or higher. It kind of gives, it has some give there. Let me put another dot on my starfish because I want the starfish in a different spot. So I'll put a couple of glue dots on that. And they don't scrimp. They don't, whatever that word is. They're not cheap. They give you a lot of these. So if you rip 1 or 2, or glue dot's not sticky anymore, they give you plenty. I'm actually gonna put it a little higher and kind of, because I don't want my little label stamped image here to get in the way and hide my starfish. So there you go. So I put a couple of dots on that. Peel the back. They are sticky. And I'm gonna put it here. So, so, so cute. And that's it. There's my little card for my friends. And if you wanna make a lot of them, and if it's a gift, you put them all in here with the little envelopes. But how cute is that? And it's gonna go right in here. I'm gonna sign that and give that to my friends. Otherwise, you could just put them all like this, stick them in here, and give that as a gift. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.